View 10 is powered by the world's first chipset with inbuilt artificial intelligence that performs complex tasks faster. It comes with an 18:9 Full HD Plus display and a 20+16 megapixel dual camera setup. Choose between midnight black or navy blue. It comes with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, expandable up to 256 GB through the dual hybrid SIM slot. Designed in a slim metal body with rounded corners that is encased in matte glass, the phone enables unlocking with face recognition or the multifunctional fingerprint sensor. Honor View 10 has a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus screen, offering a big, bright and clear viewing experience. It also lets you translate 50 languages without needing the internet. It runs EMUI 8.0 operating system on top of Android Oreo and has a powerful 12-core graphics processor and a dedicated gaming mode, delivering a seamless experience. Artificial intelligence allows the phone to identify different scenarios when taking a picture and adjust the camera setting automatically. The phone has a dual 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture for superior low light photography. It has a 13 megapixel front camera and both cameras enable the bokeh effect. They also have built-in modes like artist, light painting, monochrome. It's powered by an energy-efficient 3750 mAh battery which supports fast charge technology. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery and payment through your debit